In this video, I will be showing you how to delete a YouTube Kids profile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube Kids by typing the URL into the search bar and selecting YouTube Kids from the search results. Once the page loads, click on I'm a Parent to proceed with setting up access. Click Next on the welcome screen, then enter your birth year to verify your age and click Submit. Review the parental controls overview and click Next. When prompted to sign in with a parent's account, click Sign In. Choose your Google account from the list and enter your password if prompted to log in securely. After logging in, go through the short parent featured tour and click Done. You will then see the list of kid profiles associated with your account. Select a profile to continue into YouTube Kids. To access the settings menu, click the lock icon located at the bottom corner of the screen. Solve the simple math problem to verify you are a parent, then click Submit. In the Parent Settings menu, you will see your kids' profiles listed under My Kids. Find the profile you wish to delete and click on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your Google account password to edit your kids' profile. Click OK, and you will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your password and click Next. Once verified, you will be taken to the Edit Settings page for that profile. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the Delete This Profile option. Click the Delete button next to it. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete again to confirm. A Profile Deleted notification will confirm that the profile has been successfully removed. To leave the Parent Settings page, click the back arrow in the top left corner and click OK when prompted. If you ever need to remove another profile, simply click the lock icon again, enter the math problem answer, select the remaining profile under My Kids, and repeat the deletion process. And that is how you delete a YouTube Kids profile step by step. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.